A damaged thermostat wire in an older home can indeed cause no voltage at a terminal, and testing continuity and inspecting connections should be your immediate response. Start by isolating the circuit at the breaker and remove the thermostat cover to expose the terminal block. Use a digital multimeter set to the continuity or resistance function to test between the transformer common and each thermostat conductor to confirm continuity. A reading of infinite resistance or open circuit indicates a broken conductor. If the meter shows very low resistance but the thermostat still reads no voltage at the load terminal, switch the meter to the voltage setting and energize the circuit briefly to measure between the transformer's hot output and the corresponding thermostat terminal while observing safety precautions. Inspect wire insulation along accessible runs in basements, attics, and behind access panels for nicks, rodent chew marks, brittle insulation, or paint-covered splices that can hide breaks. Note that cloth-covered or woven sheath wiring common in very old houses degrades and may expose conductors. Check terminal screws and wire ferrules for corrosion or loose clamping that creates high resistance. Remove the screw, clean the conductor with fine sandpaper, and reterminate with a secure wrap or crimped ferrule to restore reliable contact. If the wire is found open, replace the run using thermostat cable rated for the application, typically 5-conductor 24-volt control cable for modern systems, and route it away from high-voltage lines and moving parts to prevent future damage. When replacing wiring near a transformer or control board, label conductors and photograph terminals to preserve correct connections, and if the transformer shows intermittent output, replace it as well rather than repeatedly troubleshooting a marginal component. Common problems are open conductors from physical damage, which will show infinite resistance on a meter and require replacement of the run or splice. Corroded or loose terminations, which you fix by cleaning, reterminating, and securing connections, and shorted conductors caused by insulation failure, which will show low resistance between conductors and must be isolated, repaired, or replaced to prevent control circuit faults and potential transformer overload. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can diagnose aged thermostat wiring and perform safe, code-compliant replacements. The site also helps contractors build leads by listing projects from homeowners who need wiring, HVAC, and control system services.